Ready and willing to go, folks. Check it out. It's a 2015 Nissan Murano. It's an SL edition with the panoramic roof, navigation, backup cam, heated seats. She's dialed in all-wheel drive, 2-owner unit, clean Carfax, and the car's like brand new inside and out. Obviously commercially owned, driven, serviced, and maintained. Not a mark inside, non-smoker. Super comfortable, loaded up, and ready to go, folks. Guaranteed credit approvals in full effect. And we're going to put this one as a special $995 starting down payment. 2015 Nissan Murano all-wheel drive, loaded up SL edition. $995 starting down. Cleveland.com.